Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. And I'm here today with my unboxing and first look of Xiaomi's Airdots Pro. Now, these are called Air here, but they are the Mi True Wireless Earphones. I've been wanting to pick these up, and then I just happened to be in the Mi store in Hong Kong yesterday, and I saw these. I couldn't believe it because they're really hard to get at this point, and they are extremely difficult to import from China without getting a giant premium on the price of these. So I'm so glad to finally unbox these, and I want to do the first ever comparison versus AirPods 2 as well. Now, the price I got these for was 469 Hong Kong dollars. That is exactly 60 US dollars. And they are now available in the Mi Store Hong Kong. So if you guys happen to be in this area, definitely go to the store because you can now pick these up there and they are readily available, apparently, it seems. So let's go ahead and unbox these right here. And once again, I really wanted to get these because these are the closest kind of approximation to the AirPods 2 that I think Xiaomi has released. I've heard some really good stuff about these. There have been some videos about the audio quality and the look of these. They look a little bit dopey, I think some people mentioned, but the audio quality is what they were raving about. So let's kind of open this up here from the side. There we go. Slide this out. And there we are. They're the Airdots Pro with the charging case. Let's lift that out here. And wow, this looks actually really interesting. I like how it's kind of a flat top here. Definitely a little bit bigger than what I expected. And there's, I guess, the kind of the pairing button there. But USB-C, that is a welcome sight here with this charging case. Now let's see, how do we do this? There you go. Oh, so it's one just tape that opens to the whole thing there. And let's pull these bad boys out. And there we go. Throw that aside. And there are the Airdots Pro. Now, definitely a little bit more bulky than I had initially thought. The stem is also a little bit wider here. I remember someone mentioning this looked a little unfinished, but that is kind of the way they charge there. Let's open up the case, take them out, open in the case, and let's put them in. So I don't think these are fully charged. I will definitely have to check that out. But so far, so good. I mean, and let's see what else is in this box right here. We have our USB-A to USB-C cable and just some books. There's the True Earphones user manual. I'll have to look through this in a second. But pretty basic unboxing right there. This is the point that I wanted to actually compare these to the AirPods 2. So let me bring my AirPods 2 in a second and we will have this comparison right now. Okay, so I'm actually charging these up right now to set them up with my Xiaomi Mi 9, but in the meantime, I have the AirPods 2 case right here. Let's have a look at these right in front, and clearly, I think when they designed this case, they said, we need to make this at least no taller than the current AirPods case, and it looks, if you see that compared to the AirPods 2 case, the height is almost identical on these two. If this had the extra curve, it would be significantly bigger. But that's where the dimension comparison or the similarities end, because once you turn it to the side, look at that difference. That is almost 1.5 to 2 times deeper. So, I mean, this is the crazy part about AirPods 2 is the miniaturization of this case. You can really tell that even at $60, this is one of the probably best AirPods kind of not copycats, but just kind of an AirPods alternative that has been released. I think Xiaomi's done a great job with these, and yet they still can't reach the size of the AirPods 2 case. But the quality seems pretty good. I don't know if I like all this writing here. And let's look at the hinges. Now, the one thing I do like about this case is that it is USB-C. So in that, it does have a victory against the AirPods 2, because Lightning is getting a little bit annoying now. I really wish they do switch this over to USB-C eventually. And now let's actually take one of the AirPods out. And you can see this thing is starting to get a little bit scuffed up already. I'm not putting a case on this AirPods 2. I'm not putting any protection on this AirPods 2 case because it is just, it's too nice, and it's like just having the Frankie Tech on it. I don't want to hide that, so there's no point. It'll get scuffed up, but I tell you what, this, I do appreciate the matte, the kind of the matte texture of this AirDots Pro case. That will definitely age a bit better than the very glossy one on the AirPods 2. Let's take two of these out and compare them. So definitely the stems are significantly wider on the AirDots Pro. And I like the fact, the way they kind of ended the tip here of the AirPods 2. It still has that nice metal edge. I mean, let's face it, this costs upwards of $200 and this is $60. And frankly, I'm actually really impressed with the quality of this actual AirDots Pro. It's nice, and it's a kind of a different audio setup here. It's in-ear versus just kind of fitting inside your ear canal. This is not noise isolating, and this one is. So that's going to make a huge difference there. And so let's bring in here the Xiaomi Mi 9, because I want to see what the pairing process is like. I'm going to move this over. So there's the Xiaomi Mi 9. I'm going to put this back in here and charging it up just to make sure that it is ready to go. Let's go to Bluetooth and let's see if it can find them. Refresh. Maybe I have to press the side button here. And there they are, the Mi True Wireless Earphones. Okay, pairing them up. Connected. Battery is at 100%. Now, there's no kind of nice little graphic that shows up with these. I think they're just ready to be used. So let me go ahead and put one in my ear and just kind of share the initial experience. If I'm not mistaken, this is the right or the left. It doesn't actually say on the actual AirDot itself. See the case there from this side. So I got one in one ear. And actually slightly confused which side is the one to use. But let's listen to some music now. And I will tell you my initial thoughts of the sound quality. I'm listening to my calm, progressive house on these. And let's see if you can actually pick them up a bit here. Back, I'm going to move them right next to the speaker. Let's see if you can hear anything here. Tell me if you hear anything there. Right into the speaker. 100%. And these get pretty loud, pretty good bass. I'm actually really impressed. I did not expect the sound quality to be that good. Now, I think when you actually... It's pausing right now. I think it's because it's out of my ear. So let's just try one last time here. Whoa, that's loud. Well, what can I say? Color me impressed. The sound quality on these is actually really good. And I think now the AirPods 2, I thought the sound quality is improved, but a lot of people say they sound exactly the same. I think that there's a slightly improved quality from this AirPods 2 versus the original AirPods 1. And this is my old AirPods. They look like crap now. They've been beat up completely. And I think this AirPods 2 case is definitely going to age a lot faster than this AirDots Pro case. It just feels more rugged. Feels like it's going to last longer. And I got to say, for 60 bucks, very impressive. So applause to you, Xiaomi. You've done a great job there. And in terms of audio quality, yes, I think the AirPods do have a bit more bass, but these AirDots Pro, they actually have a pretty good sound, and the mids sound pretty decent. There's a pretty bumpy bass, and I think the main reason you'll enjoy these is because they are noise canceling, or like sound isolating, because of the type of headphone they're using here. So overall, I'm pretty impressed. And so that's it for this kind of quick first look of these AirDots Pro. I'll definitely be doing more testing with these. Let me know if you wanted to see a full dedicated video. And I was thinking something I can do for that will be to do kind of one song, play the same song on with one ear using the AirPods 2 and then one ear using the AirDots Pro. So if you're interested in something like that, let me know. Hit me up in the comments. But that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. Got another unboxing I'm going to do, but I'm going to save it for tomorrow. That's this one right here, the Mi Wireless Fast Charger. And I got to kill off this Xiaomi Mi 9 because it's still at 75% here. I will be killing it off today, and then I will be sharing my findings of this awesome wireless charger, 20-watt wireless charger, and the Xiaomi Mi 9. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Y'all have a good one.